How to recover deleted chats on Claude 2026. Accidentally deleted an important Claude conversation and panicking. Before you give up, there are several things worth checking before accepting it's gone for good. Let me walk you through every option available right now in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm covering how to recover deleted chats on Claude in 2026. Here's the honest truth up front. Once a Claude conversation is deleted, Anthropic does not provide a way to get it back through the interface or customer support. The interface asks you to confirm before deleting, and once done, the conversation is removed from your accessible history with no built-in recovery mechanism. But there are still several things worth trying. Let's go through all of them. Step 1. Act immediately and check if chats are just missing, not deleted. Sometimes Claude may show an empty chat history, fail to load previous conversations, display a blank sidebar, or remove recent chats temporarily due to browser syncing or account session issues. Most of these problems are temporary and can be fixed within minutes. Before assuming deletion, try refreshing the page first. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and reload. Clearing corrupted browser data often restores missing conversation history. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data, select All Time, check cached images and cookies and hit Delete. Then log back into Claude and check if your chats reappear. Step 3. Check Claude on a different device or browser. Your conversation history syncs to your account. If the issue is device-specific or browser-specific, your chats may still be fully intact and visible on a different device. Try opening Claude on your phone if you are on desktop, or try a completely different browser before assuming the worst. Step 4. Check your browser history for a cached version. Open your browser history and search for the Claude conversation URL. If you visited that specific chat recently, clicking the link may reload a cached version of the page with the conversation still visible, giving you just enough time to copy and save the content before it's gone permanently. Step 5. Check any shared links you created. If you previously shared that conversation using Claude's Share Link feature, that link may still be active and accessible. Check your sent messages, emails, or notes for any Claude Share links you generated from that conversation. Step 6. Check downloaded exports or screenshots. Look through your Downloads folder, project folders, and cloud storage for any exported content or copies you may have saved from that conversation. If you ever copied outputs to a document or took screenshots, that content is still fully recoverable right there on your device. Here's your pro tip. Since Claude has no trash or recovery system, the best protection going forward is a simple 3-part habit. First, regularly export or copy important conversations. Second, use a local indexing browser extension to index your chats automatically. Third, copy key outputs immediately after generating them. Don't rely on chat history as your only backup. Any one of these habits protects you. All three together means a deleted conversation will never be a genuine loss again. And that's your complete 2026 guide to recovering deleted Claude chats, checking if they're just missing rather than deleted, clearing your browser cache, switching devices, checking browser history for cached versions, finding shared links, and searching your local downloads. And most importantly, the prevention habits that mean you'll never lose a valuable conversation again. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Claude tips every week. Drop a comment below. Did you manage to find your chat? See you in the next one.